my channel, and for this episode I will just be going to do a very simple DIY ReStyle project again. And yes, for those people who actually love playing badminton, tennis, or even love to do jogging every morning, yeah, anything that it's involved sports, well, my DIY ReStyle project today is I'll be doing a sportswear out of my boyfriend's Polo Shirt. Okay, if you don't want to spend money and to buy a new one, I will just give you an idea where to get it, and that is from your father's closet or hubby, brother, or boyfriend's closet. Alright, and I just really found one, and this is my partner modeling for me. This Polo Shirt that he's wearing right now is really perfect for a sportswear. The quality of the cloth is also perfect, and yes, this is quite tight on him, so I decided I was just going to ReStyle that one, and he said alright, that's fine, and he doesn't have any problem with that. So yeah, if you want to know how I ReStyle that one, mga guaps, well, let's go ahead and check that out.
To make a two-piece sportswear, all you have to do is to cut it into half, and it depends on you till where is your top. Alright, for the bottom part of your top, just fold it twice for about half an inch. And after that, just sew sides. And yes, for the skirt, all you need is an elastic band. Make sure that you measure your waistline before putting it on. And for the fold, just enough for the elastic band to fit in. Then sew sides, make sure that you leave a hole for the elastic band. Alright, we need a pin to get inside the tunnel, and please secure the other end of the elastic band so that it will not be lost inside the tunnel. Okay, once reach the end of the tunnel, all you have to do is to connect both the elastic band and then sew. After that, make sure that the hole is closed. And here it is, we're done. Alright, this is it, the final result of my partner's Polo Shirt turned into a two-piece sportswear. Yes, hope you like it, mga guaps. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. God bless everyone. Bye for now.